Good morning, everyone. We continue our focus on keeping kids in the classroom. This morning, we're talking to Pete Inman here of Camino Real Financial Strategies, Kotan Harmon with E3 Alliance. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Thank you for having us.
Such an important subject. Pete, let's go ahead and start with you. We've heard how businesses in the community, how they're impacted by kids who are not going to class. I'm wondering what our viewers right now watching, what they can actually do about it.
Absolutely.
What can we do?
Well, we need to love where we live, and we need to wrap around our children and our parents so that we build the strongest, smartest educational pipeline in the country.
Okay, and Kotan, we talked about how kids are missing class, but
Yes.
Another thing that I thought was interesting about this from the E3 Alliance is that they're missing class, a lot of them, because they may be sick too.
That's right, exactly. And tomorrow we're going to talk about the flu and how to keep kids safe. But today I want to talk about that we have 2.4 million absences in Central Texas, and they cost us about $38 per absence. And the business community is very concerned. We are very concerned. Parents are concerned. So we have put together a campaign called Missing School Matters, which includes community, businesses, districts, and it's working. We're very excited because we know if you reduce absences by 3 days per student per year, you return $34 million to the school districts. And so far, Sally, we have 20 million, which is exciting. Pete Inman is engaged with us on actually Arrow, and we are working together to make sure the community stays engaged and we're messaging in the right way. So I think you have a slide.
We do, yeah. We want to show you the proof that Missing School Matters is working. Yeah.
And so as you can see, those red dots indicate enrollment, student enrollment through the years.
Okay.
And those blue lines that you see, those are absences. Something happened from 2011 onwards. The enrollment kept pace, but then the absences started diverging or falling away from enrollment. That's how we know that all of us working together actually is making a difference in Central Texas.
Okay, all of us, you mean community members, businesses like Pete, parents and students and schools working together.
Yes, exactly. It takes the whole village. It takes us all, Sally. So.
It does. And so maybe all of us can go to this rally that we're having as well, right?
Yes.
So the rally is happening over at the Long Center, I believe. So we'll go ahead and show you this, 8:30 to 9:30 on Wednesday, September the 2nd. Always a pleasure talking to both of you and for getting up so early with us.
Thank you, Sally.